Welcome back to Ultimate Car, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today we're diving into one of the most thrilling performance cars of 2025, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This is not just another Mustang. It's a high-performance street and track monster designed for serious driving enthusiasts. The 2025 Mustang Dark Horse carries forward the legacy of the American muscle car with a modern twist. Under the hood, it packs a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine that roars out an impressive 500 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful non-Shelby Mustang ever built. You get the choice between a 6-speed manual transmission for that raw connection or a 10-speed automatic for quicker shifts and daily driving ease. Performance-wise, the car is engineered to deliver. With a stiffer chassis, upgraded suspension, Brembo brakes, and standard Magnaride adaptive dampers, it hugs corners and rockets down straights with incredible confidence. On the exterior, the Mustang Dark Horse has a bold, aggressive look. It features a unique front grille, darkened headlamps, rear spoiler, quad exhaust tips, and exclusive badging that makes it instantly recognizable. The design is both aerodynamic and intimidating, signaling its track-ready nature. Inside, Ford has given the Dark Horse a driver-focused cabin with high-tech touches. It includes a 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster, a massive 13.2-inch infotainment screen with Sync 4, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Premium materials like suede, aluminum accents, and optional Recaro sports seats elevate the feel of the interior, blending performance and comfort seamlessly. The Dark Horse isn't just about speed. It also brings in advanced safety and tech features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a performance-focused telemetry system that tracks your lap times and driving dynamics in real time. This car is built for the enthusiasts who want more than just a daily driver. It's about feeling every gear change, hearing every rev, and conquering both the streets and the track with ease. Whether you're a weekend warrior or just love raw V8 power, the 2025 Mustang Dark Horse delivers a driving experience that's hard to beat. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, share it with fellow car lovers, and subscribe to Ultimate Car for more in-depth reviews and updates on the hottest cars of 2025 and beyond.